The site-sharing controversy surrounding the Mysuru Urban Development Authority has been hitting headlines constantly. BJP has been targeting CM Siddaramaiah, accusing him of illegally granting land belonging to the Mysuru Urban Development Authority. In the latest development, a Bengaluru-based social activist, TJ Abraham, has complained to the Election Commission against the Chief Minister. In the complaint, the activist alleged that Siddaramaiah concealed information about 3.16 acres of agricultural land registered in his wife's name in his election affidavit. Abraham's complaint says that Siddaramaiah did not disclose these details, the land details, in his 2013 election affidavit. The activist has accused Chief Minister of deliberately leaving the column blank, thereby violating the Representation of the People Act of the Indian Penal Code. Abraham has demanded that appropriate legal action should be taken against the Chief Minister for his alleged omission. Reacting to the issue, the Chief Minister responded. He said in the scam that he would respond to the notice if the Election Commission issues it. He also alleged that this was a conspiracy against him and that the opposition was jealous of him as he has become Chief Minister twice despite being from the backward class.
ಚುನಾವಣಾ ಆಯೋಗ ನಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಒಬ್ಬ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನವರು 2ನೇ ಸಾರಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆವ್ರಿ. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಸಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಎದುರ್ಕತ್ತೀನಿ. ಮೂಡ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ, ಅದು ಗಬ್ಬಿದ್ದೋಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲದಿಂದಲ್ಲ, ಮೊದಲಿಂದ ಗಬ್ಬಿದೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲೂ ಗಬ್ಬಿದ್ದಿತ್ತು. ಅವ್ರ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಸೈಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ.
Now, Congress has defended the Chief Minister, saying that BJP is unnecessarily politicizing the entire issue. Let's also listen into the reactions coming in.
The Muda case that's been drawing a lot of attention, sir, both from the government as well as the opposition. How is this being viewed by the government? The Chief Minister has denied all allegations of irregularity.
CM himself denied. Then the thing is only politically motivated statement, Mr. T. Abraham. Definitely, there's nothing of that.
On the other hand, BJP slammed Siddaramaiah and Minister Bhairathi Suresh, accusing them of illegally allotting lands. Listen into reactions coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Because when more than 5,000 crores worth sites has been allotted for the influential people, Minister is trying to protect the officials who are involved in this scam. Honorable Minister Bhairathi Suresh, who is the Urban Development Minister, who rushed on the same day to Mysore, convened the meeting of all Urban Development Authority officials. This is first of its kind. Never in the history of Karnataka where the concerned minister and the Chief Minister, who also hails from the Mysore district, such a big land scam has taken place in Mysore.